Hi guys, today we are checking out this Xsense water leak detector set. It supports even Wi-Fi, comes with a free app. So this is perfect for at home, but also if you have like a second home, an additional apartment which you're using just like for vacation, and then you can be sure that nothing has happened. It's really important, can save you a lot of money, a lot of hassle when you know if you have some leak. So we have 3 sensors and we have the base station which can alert you. The sensors have a huge wireless range of 1460 feet and they come with 2 sensors on top and 4 sensors below, and they can start measuring water when it's only 0.4 millimeter deep. So really awesome. So I'm going to take it out of the box and show you what they can do for you. And we can see that the model type is SWS54. And so here's what's in the box. Comes with some charging USB cable, micro USB, comes even with a wall charger. Then we have the main unit, really nice, beautiful matte white finish, comes with this soft rubber feet, comes with a loud speaker, comes also with this instructions manual, and we get the 3 sensors. So what we have to do here is to plug in the base station. The sensors have already their battery included and installed, and they are supposed to last for 5 years. If the battery is running low, there will be some indication, and then you can open these screws and replace it. And the really good thing is they are standard AAA batteries, so you don't have to deal with button cells or so. And so let's now scan the QR code to get to the app. And so you can see we can download it from the official app store. We don't have to download it from an unsafe third-party website. So we download and install it from here, set up the account. And so we are here at the home screen. We click on the plus to add the device. First we have to add the base station. It's the SWS50. We give some authorization. Then we have to scan the QR code at the bottom. Select next. Then we hold this button here for 5 seconds till we see the light flashing. Yeah, now I think we are here, we confirm, and now we select here the Wi-Fi which we want to use to connect the base station and provide the router password, and click on next, and it has to be
Wi-Fi connected.
Okay, that was super fast. Just make sure that it's a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, or at least a combined with 2.4 and 5 gigahertz, and so we click on finish. So we leave this on here to have the option to silence the alarms here on the base station. And so we have to add the leak sensor now. Click on next. Then we double press here at the bottom and we see the flashing blue light. Click on next.
Ready to add a device. Device added.
Okay, that was super easy. And so we add all the 3 sensors now in exact same style. And now you can see everything is online. We have the base station and we have the 3 sensors. And so let's test the sensor with a little bit of water. If I sound a little bit weird, it's because I'm wearing earplugs, because I'm so close to these sensors and loudspeakers. So I'm using a little bit of water here. So let's see if it's reacting. And you can see it's reacting everywhere. And we allow this.
Alarm off.
You have seen this awesome option to remind later. If you think it's not an urgent situation, maybe you are having dinner with friends, you see just a couple of drops and you just want to make sure that you don't forget about these things, you can activate this reminder setting. This is an awesome thing. If you see that the situation is solved, maybe just a spill or so which you have caused, then you can turn it off completely. And in total we have 3 options to turn off the alarm. The first is here. The second here is on the main device, at least as long as we have allowed it here in the app. And the third thing is in the app itself. And of course the sensor works also from underneath. So we put a little bit of water here. So we put it on top of the water spill. And you can see, yeah, it activated it, and we can turn it off here. In this time we have activated it here. Yes, I would say really awesome system, very beautiful, reliable, has long battery runtime, also very far wireless reach. This is exactly what we want. So at least at the moment I'm super happy with it, no complaints so far. We also don't need any subscription, everything is already included, so I can give you full recommendation. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and already try from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.